Kia? You wanna go? Oh, he kinda low-key wants to go. He kinda low-key wants to go. Let's go! I really hope that's not for me. Oh, bro! Just leaving work on a Saturday. That's right. That's right. The grind never stops, baby. Oh my gosh. And I just thought, you guys, I feel like I tease the POV drives a lot, and I kind of get a lot of people talking about how I talk a lot. And they're like, bro, I thought you had ADHD or something. And I do. So I'm gonna try my best to shut up a little bit in this episode and just let you guys enjoy some raw sounds from this car and just enjoy the drive. Just a good old-fashioned POV, right? Like I think that everybody could use that from time to time. So here it is, you guys. You can have it. I've been seeing some people that do the POVs at like eye level, so they mount the camera right in front of their face. I don't understand how you can see. I guess it's a little bit more realistic, but it's not the end of the world in this car, because this car is totally fine for somebody who's really tall. I'm 6'5", and I've still got a lot of headroom, even with having this seat. Maybe this seat actually might sit lower than the factory one, which might give me even more headroom. Because I could literally probably be a foot taller and still fit in this car. Let it warm up a little bit more. I'm really worried that my heat doesn't work that well. It's really weak, and so I'm thinking that when I was trying to fix my head gasket back when I thought my engine was actually blown, I put some head gasket sealer kit into it, and it, I think, clogged my heater core, which I really don't want to have to replace, because that is a problem. That is a huge problem. If you guys have any ideas on how I could maybe flush it without taking it out, that would be awesome. Dude, get back in your lane. I feel like I heel toe all the time now. I started learning how to do it a couple years ago, and it's literally just become a habit for me now. I think that is pretty cool. It's fun. I've gotten pretty good at it in this car. If I go to a car that's got the pedal that's like floor mounted though, I can't do it. It's like weird because you have to go up so high. But the Subaru, this one, the pedal is mounted from the top, so you can do it a lot easier. You guys, I'm recording this video after the last one that I just did, and I'm like finishing this matcha that I tried for the first time, because I'm trying to fit in with all the other JDM car YouTubers, and I just don't know if it's for me. I won't lie to you. Matcha, I guess I got the hot one. A lot of people do get like the cold matcha, so maybe I'll try that one next. But it's just kind of, I can't like place exactly what I like or don't like about it. It's just a totally interesting flavor that I was not expecting at all. I was expecting it to be a lot more like green tea like refreshing, like green tea is. You wanna go, Kia? You wanna go? He kind of low-key wants to go. He kind of low-key wants to go. Let's go! Yeah!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Nice, dude. A little race, a cheeky race in the morning. Oh, it's always fun, man. Dude, where did all the Subaru guys go? I feel like in Michigan they used to be everywhere, and now like I drive around and I don't have anybody to wave to. I never see anybody, especially with like an older, anything like before they got the FAs, like nothing old body style Subarus anymore. They're all the new ones, and it's like, especially like even if you see somebody in like a Evo Eye, they're driving and then you wave and then it's an old lady or something. I don't know what's going on. Ooh. I don't know what's going on there, dude. That's been very disappointing for me. Gas, and luckily this is my gas station that I always go to. It's my favorite one. It's like amazing at night because it's all closed and perfectly lit, like a liminal space. This is like, I mean, like if you guys know me, this is my spot. This is the liminal space gas station. It's a little weird coming here like in the afternoon. I'm not like super excited about any of the footage that I'll get, but at least we'll be here. Oh, dude, the key is following me. The key is following me. Maybe we'll make a friend or something. Hey guys, remember, always check your oil. Always check your oil. Is he pulling up? No, he's just a guy. He doesn't care. Always check your oil every time you get gas. Oh, dude, just a quick check. Guys, please, I beg of you, check your oil every time. Are you serious? It is, dude. I'm like down a quart. That's not good, but it's fine. We can take care of it. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I promised that I would shut up this time, and I actually will. I'll let you just enjoy this drive a little bit. I'm stuck behind this Bronco. I hope he doesn't turn here when I turn, because I'm gonna have to pass him, and that's just, nobody likes that. Nobody likes getting passed. And it looks like I have to pass him. I'll slow down so I can get a little. Why does it do that, bro? Like between 4,500 and 5,000, I hit this bog like almost every time. That's so annoying. That's really annoying. I just want to go fast. That's all I want. I hope you guys are enjoying this Michigan winter scenery, where you get these days where it's so warm and then it melts all the snow, and then the next day it's like 20 degrees and it's just ugly, like everything is dead looking. It's very depressing that this happens. Like if there's snow, at least it's pretty to look at and it stays on the trees and it looks nice, but then it melts away because you get these like crazy swing fluctuations. Always slow down for the police station, guys. Keep that in mind. They, you know, that's like spawn camping or whatever. Yeah, and then the problem is if I pass this guy, there's people in front of him who I would have to pass again and again and again, and then it's, you know, then it's like all I'm doing is passing people. Okay, that's it. That's all I can take of not talking. Do you guys like this kind of content? Do you like this whole just POV drive? I know that some people just really do enjoy it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you want to see anything specifically about this car. I've got a lot of mods that I've done that I plan on making reviews for, and a lot of other little mod things that I've got coming up. So if you are, you know, if you want to see that, definitely subscribe and let me know what your thoughts are. And if you have made it this far into the video, I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that you really enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoy my little life here. And please subscribe and come along, because we're having a lot of fun. I love you all. Peace.